Hello friends, it's me Trivi. Today I'm gonna show you some interesting facts. If you buy something from Amazon and the price goes down within 30 days of your purchase, you can email them and they will refund how much the price went down. A Japanese soldier fought until 1974 because he didn't believe World War II was over. China's population grows around 23,000 people per day. Mountain Dew was made to be mixed with whiskey. If you electrically shock a person's brain, their math skills can greatly improve for up to 6 months. Every cigarette you smoke can reduce your expected lifespan by up to 11 minutes. A group of owls is called a parliament. The four dots CMYK, sign, magenta, yellow and black, are called registration marks. They are used during printing to help ensure the print is aligned properly. In printing, anything these four colors are used. After many years of research, scientists have finally found and announced that eggs are totally vegetarian. Soon it will be added into a vegetarian food category. Sweden pays high school students Rs 12,000 per month to attend school. In 1894, a priest saved a 4-year-old boy from drowning. The boy was named Adolf Hitler. The Barramundi fish grows up as a male and after 2 years turns into a female to breed. The inventor of the smiley face symbol, Harvey Ball, was paid just $45 for the design. Charles Darwin ate every animal he discovered. The most expensive pizza in the world is the Louis XIII from Italy. It topped with lobster and caviar and costs $12,000. It is estimated that only 2% of all humans have green eyes, making it the rarest eye color. Edward Snowden is an American hacker. He is so talented that even if your mobile phone is off, he can turn it on from his office without your knowledge. He can call anyone from your phone while your phone is in your pocket. American government offered him a salary of Rs 1.3 crore, but he turned down because he did not want his skills to be misused. He escaped America and now living in Russia. How is it? Hope you like it.